Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is Tuesday, February 26, 2019. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. So right here we are looking at the 4-hour chart of the Euro Pound. We can see over here that the chart is showing a right side lower. Right side tech is to the downside, and then also showing a bearish sequence stem. So this stem over here indicates the direction that we like to trade, right? So if it is showing bearish, that means we do not like buying any of the proposed rally or any of the proposed bounce. Now over here, if you look at the larger time frame, which is the daily, now you can see right here that starting from August 2017, we got what looks to be a sequence of a lower low, right? We got a sequence of a lower low. This low broke below the previous low. This is the previous low, but this one is lower than this, so this is really the previous low. It broke the previous low, and again showing a sequence of a lower low. So that technically means that the pair, okay, unless it is doing some sort of a flat, it can continue to go lower. Okay, it can continue to go lower. The pivot is going to be this one, right, which is the previous high. Now from here, so as far as it is below here, this sequence that starts from 2017 here, it can continue to extend lower, okay, until the leg is equal at least. Now from this peak, which is what the 4-hour chart is showing, from this peak we got what looks like now definitely the cycle is ending, right? You can see the bounce is pretty decent, right? It's a decent bounce to correct this entire cycle, and then from that point on it starts to reverse to the downside, right? So again, we like more downside because the sequence from 2017 high is a lower low and looks incomplete. In the 4-hour, we also like more downside, therefore, right? We like more downside. And as of now, this move lower here is going to be confirmed once we breaks below here, which is almost the previous low here comes at 0.8615. Current low is at 0.8635, right? So once we do get a break below here, that will confirm that the Y in red really has already started, and at that point it will be a bit safer to sell. Now as of now, without breaking below here, technically we can what we call do a double correction in the X. In other words, we can technically do something like this, in which we got a larger 3 swings bounce to end the X as a double correction before turning lower, right? So that possibility here is going to be ruled out. Once we break below W. But until then, we can still do a double correction in the Euro Pound before the pair resumes again the decline to the downside. All right. So that's what we are looking for in the Euro Pound. Now the pound currently has a lot of news concerning the Brexit, right? The recent news coming out from the UK has been a bit positive, that the EU and also the UK has been able to negotiate and has been able to talk about the deal to make sure that the deal is modified to help the voting in the UK House of Commons, right? So if we do get some sort of good news coming out of the UK, then I won't be surprised to see the pound strengthening, not just against the euro but against other currencies as well. All right. But again, from the confirmation about the specific currency, the specific pair euro pound, I'm looking for the euro pound to break below this previous low W to confirm that we are indeed already starting the next leg lower. So if you are interested to see the exact level and how to trade it, you can go to the member area. I mean, we provide setups as well in the 1 hour chart in the lower time frame, and you can join the live trading room and live session to see which area we can potentially try to trade it or things like that. And the link we provide 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video at YouTube. So see you all again tomorrow.